Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at Think Markets. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Think Markets is a popular beginner-friendly Forex and CFD broker that was founded in 2010 in London. They are regulated by the Australian Securities and Investments Commission and the Financial Conduct Authority. Client funds are held in segregated accounts with top-tier financial institutions. Think Markets offers flexible accounts with competitive trading conditions, and we highly recommend opening an account with them if you are a social trader or a copy trader. The Think Markets website is user-friendly and easy to navigate. You can easily find all the information you need by choosing an option from the menu bar, and you will also find direct links to different sections of the website at the very bottom of the homepage. The key features of their accounts are highlighted on the homepage, and you can see which instruments they offer further down the page. You will also find direct links to breaking news, webinars and educational content on the homepage, and the payment methods they accept are also listed at the bottom of the page. To find out more about the instruments you can trade with Think Markets, click on the Trading tab and select an instrument from the drop-down menu under the Trading section. Think Markets currently offers more than 38 tradable currency pairs, with spreads starting as low as 0 pips. As a client, you can also trade 1,500 share CFDs and a variety of indices, metals, cryptocurrencies, and commodities. The Think Markets customer support team is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and you can reach them via email, live chat, or telephonically. You can also submit a web ticket and request a callback directly from the homepage, and their global phone numbers are listed under the Contact Us section. We would also recommend visiting the FAQ section to see if your questions have already been answered, which also provides helpful tips and guides regarding account management, using the tools and platforms, and everything else you would need to know. Think Markets accounts can be connected to the MetaTrader trading platforms, which are available as a desktop platform, a mobile application, or as a web trader interface. MetaTrader 4 and 5 are currently ranking amongst the most popular trading platforms in the world. MetaTrader 4 was released in 2005, and MetaTrader 5 was released in 2010. These platforms are renowned for their advanced analysis tools, thousands of technical indicators, customizable charts, expert advisor functionality, and algorithmic trading support. They can also be downloaded at no cost. With MetaTrader 4, you get access to 3 types of order execution, 30 built-in indicators, basic tools for graphic analysis, one-click and algorithmic trading, fundamental analysis, suggested trading strategies, expert advisors, and much more. With MetaTrader 5, you get access to advanced platform customization, the optimized processing of expert advisors and indicators, access to smart trader tools and auto chartist, the ability to hedge your positions, 21 timeframes, fundamental analysis, and so much more. The MetaTrader platforms offer a high level of customizability and security, and are also a fantastic option for traders who are interested in automating their strategies. Think Markets also offers an exceptional proprietary platform called Think Trader. This is a beginner-friendly trading platform with plenty of built-in analysis tools. It comes with more than 125 indicators, 50 drawing tools, and 20 chart types, and it can be used on mobile devices, laptops, tablets, and desktops. With this platform, you can easily close all of your open positions with just one click. Think Trader also offers a wide range of advanced drawing tools, and you can set up more than 200 cloud-based trading alerts and triggers that are personalized based on your trading goals. With this platform, you can use 6 types of pending orders, and you will have access to an updated economic calendar. You can also configure Think Trader so that you are trading on multiple windows with multiple charts simultaneously. In addition to all the tools provided, Think Markets also offers free virtual private server hosting, which means you can trade without any technical interruptions. To find out more about the tools and platforms offered by Think Markets, simply click on the Trading tab and navigate to the Platform section or the Trading Tools section. There are 2 main types of trading accounts that you can open with Think Markets, and they also offer demo accounts, swap free accounts, and joint accounts. Both accounts allow a maximum leverage of 1 to 500 and can be used on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. You will also have access to free virtual private servers when using either account. A major benefit of trading with Think Markets is that your account will have negative balance protection, which prevents your balance from going below 0. The first type of account you can open with them is the standard account, and it is a no-deposit, commission-free account with spreads starting as low as 0.4 pips on Forex pairs and CFDs, and it is the only account that can be used on the Think Trader platform. This account is suitable for all styles of trading, and we recommend using the standard account if you are a beginner and you've already had some practice using a demo account. The second account you can open is the Think Zero account, and the minimum deposit required to use this account is $500 US, which is still relatively low for a more advanced account. Small commission fees are charged when using this account. However, the spreads on the Think Zero account start as low as 0 pips, and you also have the option of using an account manager. If you'll be trading for the first time, then we recommend opening a demo account first to see which account you prefer the most. Demo accounts will give you an opportunity to test out the tools and features of different accounts with 0 risks using virtual currency in a simulated market environment. Swap-free accounts are also available, and no interest or rollover fees are charged on overnight positions. However, this option is only available to Muslim clients. Creating an account with Think Markets may take up to 24 hours. However, the account creation process is straightforward. Firstly, launch the Think Markets homepage, and then click on the Create Account button. Complete the online application form. Next, you'll want to verify your account and email address. And once your account has been verified, you can log in to the client portal. Once your account is set up and approved, you can fund your account and start trading. After your account is set up and ready, the next step would be to choose and download your preferred trading platform. In our case, we decided to go with the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. Download and install your preferred platform, and then log in with the credentials provided. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the MetaTrader 4 terminal with Think Markets. In the center of the dashboard, you have your graph. On the left, your navigator and market watch, and at the top of the screen, a variety of tools and options that you can use. If you are new to trading and are new to the MetaTrader trading platforms, you can find a wide variety of helpful educational resources and learning material online or over on the MetaTrader website to help you understand the basics of platform functionality and to place your first trade. With regards to educational resources, Think Markets is one of our top-rated, beginner-friendly brokers because not only will your demo accounts never expire, but you will have access to plenty of educational articles, trading guides, video tutorials, and expert insights to help you learn the basics of trading. You can also learn all about trading patterns and technical analysis indicators by reading over the guides provided. And if you come across any unfamiliar terms, all you would need to do is read over the trading glossary provided. Opening an account with Think Markets will also give you access to Trading Central, which is one of the best research and analysis platforms for traders. Trading Central analyzes more than 72,000 instruments daily, and its built-in suite of tools can be used to generate trading ideas, validate trading decisions, and manage risks effectively. We recommend checking out the knowledge base to view all their beginner, intermediate, and advanced trading guides. And if you are looking for expert insights from professional traders, then you should tune into their live webinars. They also provide updated market news and plenty of content for technical analysis as well as market analysis, and you can use the economic calendar to keep track of major economic events. Think Markets have received many awards over the years they have been in operation, and most recently, they were awarded for being the best Forex broker in Africa and Asia, and also for being the best CFD provider in 2017, 2018, and 2021. Overall, Think Markets is one of our top-rated, low-risk Forex brokers for beginners, and they offer an award-winning platform with plenty of resources for research and analysis. By trading with Think Markets, you will have access to a wide range of instruments with tight spreads, commission-free accounts, and no minimum deposit is required to open an account with them. So if you are interested, why not open your account today and get a head start on your trading career? And that is our overview of Think Markets. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.